Ready? Oh no! This is the one. Yeah! Oh. I have this like romantic idea about wanting to start a vlog. But the problem is, every day just seems so boring. Like every day is so the same. If a vlog's going to be interesting, then it needs to have like a story, right? Like a throughput. And how do you make that out of a day where you're just doing a sort of general chores, nothing particularly interesting is happening? I've just dropped Maya off of work. Sorry, buddy. I uploaded 128 videos to TikTok in 128 days. It was a really rewarding experience. I like editing the videos. Every single one of those videos was at least 1 hour to make and edit. So they weren't quick videos, they weren't just me doing a trend. My favorite thing on my phone is when it pops up and says 6 years ago today, and then it shows you a little photograph. I've kind of fantasized for a few years about having a video series so that I can look back at a whole day rather than just the one photograph. See this video right here, 21k views. I bet 20,000 of those are probably mine. I've spent my 20s trying to figure out how to run my design business. I'm 30 now, and I think I've finally got it figured out. And it seems like now would be a really good time to start documenting so that I could look back in 10 years and see what has changed. The trouble I have with this is that most days are really mundane and they're boring. When I think about vlogging, not even every day, but even just every few days, it seems impossible because life just isn't that interesting day to day. Today, for example, I'm making cabinets. MDF, just primed, nothing interesting. Cabinets. Maya made pizza last night. I didn't have any, so it's my lunch. Cold pizza. I'm just trying to be as efficient as possible and editing my video whilst I have my lunch at the same time. I'm just closing up shop right now because I have to go and pick up Maya, and it's date night tonight. I just got back to the house. I'm gonna get a real quick wash. Maya calls this one my nurse's outfit. Apparently it makes me look like a male nurse. Just getting tickets for the cinema. I don't know what my takeaway is exactly, but it kind of feels like there's loads of people who have regular daytime jobs who want to do videos and stuff, but they can't, like they're stuck. I talk about trying to start a vlog probably once every 2 weeks, but I always have like a million excuses for myself as to why I shouldn't bother to do it. There's so many people out there in regular day jobs who can't just go out and start filming a video, but I actually can in my job. I can just film a video whenever I want. So why not? Not those, these.
It's my friends.
Someone's been busy at work today. I can't remember if we mentioned, but we're watching Spider-Man, the new animated one. In this place, you get your dinner and the movie. Maya's got the nachos. Whoa! Alright, so we just got done seeing the movie. I'm going to put my design hat on. I'm going to give it some critical analysis overanalyze it, intellectualize it. That movie is really, really good.